Hi, come hike with me as a 24-year-old who's saying yes to new experiences in 2026. And for today's adventure, we are heading to Awasan Falls in Ilocos Sur. So, it's already 5:20 something in the morning and on the way na kami doon. Doon na rin namin imimit yung tour guide namin paakyat ng falls. Ito yung hike without complete 8 hours of sleep. Hindi tayo pinalaki ni Rizal para maging mahina. Dahil ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan. There will be an almost an hour ride paakyat ng jump off ng Awasan Falls. Pwedeng mag-jeep or pwede nyo rin dalhin yung sasakyan nyo. And you have to pay 20 pesos para sa parking, and then this is the part where you have to register 15 pesos per pax. And after mag-register, nag-start na kami agad, wala ng warm-up. Ito yung first bridge na matadaanan nyo. We started at 7:30 AM. Hindi pa naman masyado masakit yung araw sa balat, but importante talaga na maglagay ng sunblock sa skin for protection. Okay pa naman dito at mahangin pa siya. So, makikita mo na super happy agad kami. First 5 minutes pa lang yun ng check. Makikita nyo sa view is yung malaking palayan. Almost 10 minutes siguro yung ganyang view. Second bridge na madadaanan bago makapunta sa Awasan Falls. Ito yung famous spot na kung saan nagpipicture or nag-video yung mga tao. Nagpupunta dito. This is the part where na-realize na rin namin na nangyari na rin. Finally, yung pinaplana namin outside the group shot. Ito yung view habang naglalakad, yung ilog na madadaanan, and makikita mo may naliligo at some point, maiinggit ka rin. After 20 minutes, mag-start na yung samentadong stairs wherein challenging daw to, but I think mas maging challenging lang to kapag hindi kayo nakapag-pre-hike. After 30 to 40 minutes, masisilip mo na yung Awasan Falls wherein dito pa lang kahit malayo ka pa, mararamdaman mo na yung fulfillment na nakita mo na siya, and sobrang ganda and mapapawaw ka talaga. Actually, swerte kami kasi sabi ng tour guide namin yesterday, June 11, is mahina daw yung tagas ng tubig and marami daw hikers or tourists na na-disappoint, but feeling ko pinigay talaga sa amin to ni Lord para makita namin yung full potential ng Awasan Falls. Look at that. Diyan pa lang mafu-fulfill ka na eh. Magiging happy ka na. But what if pa malapitan mo siya ng personal? Wow. We are really grateful then with our tour guide because our famous spot ng Awasan Fall para mag-picture is really gave us ample time. And then siya din yung kumuha ng picture namin, which is 10 over 10. Super galing niyang kumuha. And that's the view. I don't know, but hindi talaga na-justify ng camera kung gaano kaganda sa personal yung Awasan, and that's the famous spot where nakikita ko lang sa TikTok yung tree na yan, and then mafe-feel mo na, wow, I'm really here. Look at that. Sinong hindi mapapawaw sa view na yan? Super ganda niya na online, but in personal, kulang talaga yung wow na word para ma-describe kung gaano ka-fulfilling and sobrang ganda ng falls na yan. Pila yung pagpipicture dun sa mga famous spot. This is the time na ako naman yung picture din sa famous. Look at that. So nice. And from here, be ready for the raw videos from our Awasan trip in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Lord. Kakasabi ko lang ng thank you, Lord. Yung ligo po dyan may bayad, wala naman. Tara. Opo. Ito na ka.
One, two, three.
Wala akong rason.
Tatawid tayo dito. Dito tayo dapat eh.
Solid. Tapos na kami lahat ng pag-picture, pero tatry namin mag-picture doon sa TikTok. And dito kami nanggaling. Galing na rin kami doon. And then here, magtapos ako ng konti. And balik na tayo ulit. Back na naman tayo sa walk sa Intal.
challenging din pumunta dun sa part na yun dahil dito kayo dadaan. Medyo matarik na. But, kaya naman. And, masarap magtampisaw kasi malaki. Pero nararamdaman na namin yung view. So, done na kami with everything. Nakapagtampisaw na rin kami. And nakapunta dun sa matarik na part na medyo challenging yung pag-akit, but it's okay. And then, ngayon, papalik na kami. And magta-try kami mag-picture dun sa famous spot dito sa Awasan, which is, ayun. And now, natawid na kami ulit pabalik. And matirik na yung araw. Pero, it's okay kasi super nice ng falls. And swerte kami kasi malakas yung alon. Guys, left that. Super nice. And wow! Like, it's a God's creation. Oh, higlang ganun. Let's go! Akit na ulit. Ito doon. Woo! Awasan Falls trip done. Another side quest unlocked. And more to go. And guys, tingnan niyo yung paa namin. Woo! Maputek. Super.
Pagkatawang kalagkari na nakasutin. May awasan.
Pauwi na! Ako'y pauwi na! Baby, ako'y pauwi na. Finish! 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 Tapos na guys, and magsha-shower na kami kasi super lagkitan moments na kami.
And that's it for my quick escape. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this little adventure. Thank you for watching and I hope you'll join me again on the next one. See you soon. Bye.